guys, welcome to my channel. We got a real cool video and a lot of arm work. Today's video is going to be me testing out Magic Mousse. So I saw this on a Facebook ad, scrolling through Facebook, not minding my own business, doing some snooping. And then you know how they have like those really gimmicky ads where it's like plays like a crazy product and they make it look like it's the best product in the world? Well, that's basically what they did with this. They had it in like fast motion and they had put it on a broken product and like, well, bam, the product was like new. So this is supposed to be a magic makeup fixing mousse. Now I know you can fix mousse with alcohol. I've done that before, but I thought I would try the magic makeup repair mousse. It says we're not promising you the moon. We're just giving it to you. Oh, cocky. I like it. All right, so basically what I want to do today is I bought this. My assistant put $110 on it, so I would remember the price because I don't remember a lot of things. Okay. I bought a $110 blush. I want to bust up the $110 blush / highlighter from Sicily and see if it can repair it. Now, I know it's not going to look as beautiful, but we'll see what we can do. And I just think it puts an interesting spin. Like, can it fix a super expensive product? We'll find out today. I'm really excited to test it out. So, without further ado, I'll sing the subscribe song and then we'll go ahead and get started.
Be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe. Yeah.
So now we're going to jump right into the video. As you guys can see, I have not even opened this up. Let's see. We have instructions. That's good. Most of you Larlees know I do not like to read instructions, but in this case, I will. It said, we traveled 238,900. Let me try again. We traveled 238,900 miles just to get to you, because makeup. Wow, I'm having a hard time reading. Okay, here we go. If reading isn't your thing, just go to our website for a tutorial. I'm gonna read. These instructions are really hilarious and quirky, so I don't mind reading them. It says 1 bottle, you have a spatula, a bottle of the repair, a square press tool, and a circular press tool is what comes with it. Preparing. First, gather up and salvage any of the makeup. Sweep it back into its container. So basically it says put your broken makeup back into the container. Use a spatula to kind of press it down. Shake the mousse bottle. Dispense the mousse to cover the surface of the makeup. Okay, so basically step 2 is putting the mousse on the makeup. It says if you add too much, it'll just take longer to dry. If you add too little, you can add a little more mousse later. And it depends on the size of your product as to how much mousse you may need. Once the mousse has kind of dissolved into the makeup, you kind of grab your spatula, mix it around to see if you put the right amount of mousse in, because it should be like a paste-like substance. If it's too dry, it says add another glob of the mousse. Don't move on to the next step until there are no longer lumps in the tool. Smooth makeup with spatula. Next, you're going to use your spatula to smooth the makeup out in the pan, make it look really firm and pretty. It says go to bed. Oh my God, I'm gonna be filming this video tomorrow too. Oh, I did not know this was going to be a 2-day video. You're done for the night, but the mousse isn't done working its magic. So it'll dry out overnight. You leave the makeup in a safe place. Okay, and then it says whenever it's all dry in the morning, we will press the product again. So guess what? We're going to film tonight. It's already kind of late, and then tomorrow I'll finish the video, I guess. So our next step would be the blush. Oh my God, I have a big zit, and I just itched, and it hurt. Okay, I'm going to take the blush. Here's our $110 blush packaging. This is what a $110 blush looks like. We should swatch it beforehand so we can see what it looks like before I bust it up. Honestly, it just looks like a very light, shimmery blush, and I just rubbed my finger all over it. I kind of want to put some on just before I destroy it. Oh, it's pretty, girl. It's pretty. Here comes the time that is the most fun and satisfying. We're gonna destroy this little bad boy right here. All right, I have this little tool. Here we go. I hope this is good enough lighting for you guys. You can see how messy my desk is that I film on. It looks like I staged it, but I didn't. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. She's crazy. She's insane. She's LAURALEE. Girl, get in there. We cannot lose this. Oh, I'm gonna get it good and broken. The feeling of doing this right now, I wish you guys could do it with me. It's so satisfying. I actually went and bought this blush for another tutorial, but we're using it for this video. Oh, we're getting down to, oh, I spilled some. Okay. Wow, would you look at that? $110 blush right there, chopped to pieces. That is magnificent. It says take the spatula and kind of like put all the pieces back in there nicely, which luckily we broke it in the container, but it just says salvage your pieces wherever it broke. So I'm gonna like pack it back in with a little spatula. Okay, I just want to show you guys the two tools. It comes with the pressing circle and the pressing square depending on the size of your product. Here is the Mousse. It is kind of a small bottle, but I mean, how much broken makeup are you going to be dealing with? So this should be good. I gave it a good shake, and we're going to pump some out. Oh, I did like a lot. How does that look? That looks good, right? Doesn't really tell you how much. Guesstimations are encouraged. All right, guys, so I'm filming as the mousse dissolves a little bit. It's gone down, and I'm just gonna chill and take my makeup off really quick and then come back and see where we're at. But it is dissolving pretty quickly, and then we'll see if we need to add a little bit more mousse. I just washed my face, and it appears, oh girl, it's real pasty. The foam is settled, so now I'm gonna start morphing this into, oh, it's real gooky, into the blush to make it beautiful, kind of smooth it out like peanut butter, like the directions said. This is not as easy as I'm making it look. I'm not making it look that easy, but it's not as easy as you think. I feel like I should just use this guy. Oh yeah. Oh, maybe not. Okay, we're learning together. Oh, that worked. That worked really well. Okay. I feel like my finger, yeah, my finger's just what's gonna have to happen. It sticks to me, not the pan. Come on, little guy. Well, it's definitely not as pretty as when we started. Wow, so I feel like I got that really smooth down in the pan. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna dump off that excess. And then whenever we're finished letting this dry overnight, I will come back and we'll test it out, and we'll also clean up the edges. That little edge needs some help. Alrighty, so we're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna come back in the morning and finish this video, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So this is really fun. It's like a little science experiment. So I'm gonna leave it open sitting right here on my desk, and I'll be back in the AM. Good night, guys. All right, honey bunnies, I am back. This is the next day over, and I am going to show you the product. So I went ahead and touched it. It does feel completely dry. Here is what it turned out like. Not the prettiest, because obviously there's no way it could go back into its form that it would came in because I crushed it so much, but it's all put together and it has a lot of pigmentation. I would say the same amount of pigment that it had in the beginning. It almost feels slightly more creamy. Sorry, I'm sick, so my voice is so scratchy. It almost feels slightly more creamy than it did before. Before it felt like a baked pigment, and now it feels like a creamy blush. It does have some around the sides. I'm going to take a little makeup wipe and clean off. Also, I thought about something while cleaning this off I was going to tell you guys. So as I went all willy-nilly and started breaking it like a crazy person, I was like, I mean, yeah, there is some makeup that does get broken that much until it's just powder. Have you guys ever received something in the mail and you're just like, whoa, this exploded into powder? So that does happen, but typically when you drop and break your makeup, there's like 1 or 2 breaks in it. It doesn't explode into a crusty powder like I broke this product into. So I just have to say, I think it would repair it even easier and better if your product wasn't in a million little pieces like I did mine, which I guess I just wasn't thinking it through, but that just means we really put this product through the test to see if it would work. So now I think what we should do is apply it to my cheeks. I have all my makeup on, but I don't have any blush on because obviously we're going to be applying this product to our face. Girl, where's the blush brush? I found it. The E4 is the one that I always use for my blush brush. For my blush, the brush that I use for my blush, Lord have mercy. It's just an angled brush. It's super soft. And so I'm going to tap. Yeah, you get a lot of product off. It's a really pretty blush. It looks so pretty. Honestly, it looks really beautiful and I love it. And it really repaired my product. Even for the fact that I literally busted this brush into a million pieces, it fixed this blush. I'm so shook. I'm so happy. I think this is a great product. I'm really happy about it. I really think it repaired the product very well. I'm super impressed. So even a $110 blush, this product can fix, even if it's broken in a million pieces. I did use a lot of foam. The next broken makeup I will fix. I'll use a little less foam. Like it said, the instructions are so easy. Like it said, it was just like if you use too much foam, just let it dry a little longer. If you don't use enough, just add a little more. So you really can't go wrong with this product. I know that alcohol too can fix broken makeup. I've used it before, but alcohol, I tried to fix an Urban Decay blush. And it was like iridescent, like really shimmery and pretty one time with alcohol, and it dried out the blush, and the blush was never the same. It did not work. But I know on some highlighters, you can just dab some alcohol in there and bam, you're right back to normal. But I really feel like the blush looks the same whenever I swatch it, and it applies the same, if not even more creamy. So I do prefer this product over alcohol. And I mean, I don't know, you guys decide at home if it's worth it to you. Like, is it worth it? Like how much makeup do you really have that's broken, or how often will you really be using it? But anyways, goodness gracious, I'm in my little bathrobe, all cozy. Anyways, that is it for my review. I give this product 2 thumbs up. It's not a gimmick. Most Facebook ad crap, girl, it's a gimmick, and you gotta look out for it. But this product isn't a gimmick. Like, it really works. I'm so impressed. And yeah, if you got a lot of broken makeup, I recommend it to you guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave. And I'll see you all in my next video. I upload 3 times a week. 3 times a week. Upload every Saturday and Sunday, and I upload every Wednesday. So I am your weekend warrior whenever it comes to YouTube videos. And then in the middle of the week, Wednesday, I upload 1 video. So subscribe for lots of good content. I know my voice is even more annoying than it normally is. It's worse. I'm sorry. I'll be back next week.